A very good evening to you. Thank you for watching Prime Edition. Time to get the latest in the world of business. My name is Betty Kiptum. Now, Elgon Kenya is calling on the government to contract more companies to distribute the subsidized fertilizer to smallholder farmers. Elgon Kenya Managing Director Bimal Kantaria says a number of fertilizer companies have installed modern blending equipment and should be engaged to ensure smallholder farmers get the chemical on time.
The National Treasury allocated 4.5 billion shillings for the fertilizer subsidy program in the current financial year in efforts to lower the cost of food production. Agri-input supplier Elgon Kenya believe contracting more fertilizer producers in the subsidy program will fast-track distribution of the chemical.
This year is going to be a bumper harvest for maize. It's been a wonderful year. We have good rain and good fertilizer, right price. So I think this year is going to be a good year for food prices to come down. So that we commend government. The only problem we have now is that fertilizer prices internationally have come down to such a level. They were 2019 and 2018. So asking government that if they can stop distributing through KNTC and NCPB, but use the 10,000 agro-vet shops that are out there so that everybody gets a piece of the pie.
Kantaria says 9 more fertilizer companies have fitted their production plants with modern blending equipment and have capacity to blend fertilizer.
The second one is that instead of awarding the tender to 2 or 3 companies, there are now 9 fertilizer blending companies in this country, brand new, spent about 1 billion shillings in new machinery. If that government business can be spread to all the players in the industry so that everybody can benefit from the government subsidy program.
The government says it has started putting in place modalities including setting a minimum buying price for the next maize harvest that is expected in a month's time.
The commitment is once this harvest is done, the cost of unga will come down to levels that Kenyans have not experienced in the past 10 years.
Linturi says the government is in the process of operationalizing the strategic food reserve and strengthening the warehousing receipt system to facilitate faster payment for maize deliveries to the national cereals and produce board depots.
Confident the farmers will make better money from whatever maize they grow now compared to the latter years, because remember, I have been able to cut the cost of production by over 50%, because when they were growing maize in those other years, they were doing fertilizer at 7, so I brought it to 35. That will make a lot of difference in terms of profit.
They were speaking in Nairobi during the 3rd edition of the National Agriculture Summit. Benson Druba reporting for Prime Edition.